If you are considering sponsoring your parents or grandparents to visit Canada, be aware that IRCC, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, has recently increased the income requirements for the super visa effective July 29, 2025. In this video, I will discuss the changes, who is affected by them, and guide you on how to calculate. If you are eligible for the visa, the super visa is a long-term visitor visa that allows parents or grandparents of Canadian citizens or permanent residents to stay in Canada for up to 5 years at a time without having to renew every 6 months. The income requirements have been increased by about 11,125 per year in gross annual income for a family of 4, depending on family size and depending on the type of visitor visa you are applying for. To be eligible for the increased income requirements, you must provide proof of income such as UMIA CRA, Canadian Revenue Agency, Notice of Assessment or last 2 years, DIO, T4 or T1 slips from the past year or letter from your employer. 3. A letter from your employer explaining your profession and salary. 4. Evidence of private medical insurance for the parents or grandparents if required. 5. A signed invitation letter from the spouse, common law partner, or another family member. If you are a couple with 1 child and inviting 2 grandparents, your family size increases to 5, meaning you will need an income of at least 64,336 in gross annual income to be eligible. Some documents you may also need to provide, other than those listed, may include proof of income from other sources and sometimes additional verification from the employer. As an AI language model, I do not have the ability to provide you with personalized advice on each situation. However, here are some general tips and common questions people ask about sponsoring their families to visit Canada. Be sure to consult with an immigration lawyer or accountant for personalized information on each situation. If you are under the income requirement, consider waiting for a raise or applying for a super visa in conjunction with your spouse or partner, or look into merging your family's income to make the application more viable. Remember that the dates for applying for the super visa changes remain July 29, 2025. So be sure to keep that in mind when planning your application. If you have any more questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to help you with what you need. 1.